Creating a wish list on Amazon is a pretty simple thing to do, and in this video, I will be guiding you step by step how you guys can do it. So first thing first, open up your Google Chrome, search for the Amazon, and hit up the Amazon.com official website. And once you are in the website, what you exactly have to do is to simply go to your account. Make sure that you own an account. If you don't have one, just go ahead and create one. Once you have done that, go over your account and you will see your list option on the left hand side. Here it says create a list, find a list, or registry your saved books. So simply go ahead and click on create a list and it will take you to this page. Here it says lists and registries, which says stay organized, save your items and ideas in a convenient location, share with your friends, save money, get registries. For example, I'm getting married, I'm welcoming a baby, celebrating with a different occasion. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on create a list. So it will ask me the name for the list, for example. Uh, I will name it for the budget list and simply click on create button. And now, as you guys can see that my list has now been created. I can now even invite people to add their things in this list, and I can make this thing go public, or I can make this thing go private as well. So if I want to go invite somebody, I can simply go here and send the invitation by clicking on invite someone, view only. Just let's click on this, and I will just copy the link and send it to the person that I want to add to my list. So here, I'm now gonna search for the items, and once I'll search for the items, let's just go and think for an item. So right now, I'm gonna go for this item. That is right here. So here, let's go over and click on the item. There is an option to add the item to the list. For example, I'm just gonna go ahead and click on the add to list, and it will ask me which list I want to add it to. So one item added to my budget list. Here you guys can see that. This is how you guys can exactly do it. I hope you find this very helpful. Take care. Bye bye.